And lastly, the frequency is limited here because my lowest box was 20 gigahertz. And also, if you look, I have all the measurement class options available. I want to briefly show something. This is all my measurements on my 20 port system. If I just run the M98 3XA by itself, the first one, and then let's say I run another instance, that's my M98OX, and then I run yet another instance of another one, and lastly let's do a fourth one, which is the new one. So now I'm running 4 instances of the network analyzer, each one independently, and you can probably see that in the frequency range. Yeah, this is the 44 gigahertz. This is a 50 gigahertz. These both start at 10 meg. One of them should theoretically be a 9 kilohertz instrument. Oh, I ended up picking 220 gigahertz. Okay, well, that's what I just picked. And then I think this is going to be the last one, is another M98 37A. And you can, the RF path configurator is a really quick way to say, like, this one has it, but this has no RF path configurator. Okay, and they're all up. Let's tile them. It made them pretty small, but that's okay. It's all right, I'll just leave it as is. So in the first one, if I go to the measurement class, or this one, I only got the standard channel. In this one, I got all the options. In this one, I got all the options, and in this one, I only got the standard channel. So if I'm only using a standard S parameter, I don't need to worry about licensing, they will all run. But I only have one extra multi-site set, so 2 of my VNAs got everything, the other 2 were left out if I'm running them independently. And so I would need 2 more licenses for these options, any of them that I would want to run if I want to run all 4 in parallel. But again, standard measurement class, there's no issue, no extra license needed. It's just some of the options if you want to run them in parallel.